single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my
Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ujvcosmetic. If this is your first time of seeing me or tuning into my channel, you are highly welcome. Please don't hesitate to subscribe and to click on the notification bell so you'll be the first person to get notified when I upload my new videos. And for those of you, my UJV lovers, thank you for keeping up with me. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. I do see your beautiful comments. I appreciate you. Thank you very much. So today I'll be doing the flawless and natural foundation routine. Actually, this is my first time of doing something like this. I'm really excited, and the foundation I'll be using for this routine is no other foundation than the UJV foundation. Yes, for those of you that don't know, I have my cosmetic collection and it is made up of UJV foundation and UJV concealer. For you to know more about my product, kindly go catch me up on my website www.ujvbeauty.com, or just go follow me on Instagram UJV Beauty, or TikTok, any social media platform with UJV Beauty. You will get to know and see. One good quality about UJV foundation is that UJV foundation is for all skin types. So if you are that person that have oily skin just like me, as you can see, I have oily skin and I have acne, I have pores on my face, I also have a little bit of eye bag. So if you are that person that have oily skin, UJV foundation is the perfect foundation for you. If you have dry skin, if you have combination skin, and if you have normal skin, UJV foundation is the perfect foundation for you, because our foundation is for all skin type and it is a full coverage foundation. So go check our product out. I promise you will love it. We also have UJV concealer, and this is the concealer here. And yes, we have two type of concealer shade, one for very fair people, like, you know, we people of color, we have fair. Then we have people in between, they are not fair, they are not dark, they are like this deep fair. Then we have the shade that is, you know, like a brown gold like me. Then we have ladies, or, you know, people that have the dark complexion. So my foundation shade is of 4 shades. I promise you will find your color, and it's a really high quality foundation. Go check us out on social media platform, our website, as I said, and I promise you will love it. So this is the foundation shade I will be. If you have brown gold color like me, your perfect foundation shade is the warm bronze M4, and this is it. Let me show you. This is it. So go check it out. I promise you will love it. I will start with my foundation routine, but before you apply foundation on your face, make sure your face is, you know, clean, is thoroughly washed, and you have moisturized your face, just like my face here. You know, I've washed my face and I've moisturized my face, because you have to moisturize your face so your face will, you know, be soft and yes, look nice when you apply your foundation. Most ladies, they do have oily skin like me, as I said earlier on, and they have this acne, they have blemishes and pores. So before you apply your foundation, after you've washed your face and moisturized, you have to use your primer. So I'll just go ahead and use primer. I have a primer here, so you can use any primer of your choice, you know, to also apply on your face. Apply your foundation, it will stay properly. So I'll just go ahead and, you know, use my primer on my face. After applying your primer, you have to wait like few seconds, maybe if it's 1 minute, so the primer will, everything will go into your face, and, you know, really apply everything well before you can start to apply your foundation on your face. Yep. Go ahead and apply my foundation. This is my foundation shade. As I said, I've, you know, already applied it's on my wrist, as you see here. I will just go ahead and, you know, take will just go ahead and use my foundation brushes. So I will just go ahead and use any one of my choice and start to blend. Just keep up with oily skin, you know, but there are people that really have oily skin. So for those of you that have really oily skin, this is optional, it's not a must. If you want, you can do it. For those of you that have oily skin, what you have to do after applying primer on your face, you can use your setting powder, which is the loose powder, to, you know, just dab on your face, so your face will not be that oily, you know, before you apply your foundation, mostly on your T-zone here, your nose, your T-zone. You know, we have this highlight zone, this T-zone on our face, and where we have eye bag, which is here, you know, this T-zone. Make sure you use your loose powder to just dab on it, just cover it up, you know. So my second step, I'll just go ahead to use my beauty blender to blend the foundation on my face. But before you use your beauty blender, you have to make sure that you wet your beauty blender just like this. I've wet mine, before you use it to apply the foundation on your face. But now I will be focusing on my under eye here, because I have eye bag. I have a little bit of eye bag and on my T-zone, so that the foundation will come out looking flawless and natural, just the way I want it. And yes, I will still apply a little bit of foundation, which is the second step. I have a little bit foundation on my wrist left here, so I will just go ahead and apply it under my eye to cover up my eye bag and my, you know, small blemishes that I have. As I said before, UJV foundation, I'll just go ahead and use my beauty blender. Foundation, so I will just go ahead and do the finishing touch. flawless and natural foundation routine, which I used my makeup collection, which is the UJV foundation. Please go check me out on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, or social media platform UJV Beauty, or just go to my website www.ujvbeauty.com to go grab yourself some flawless foundation and concealer just like this. But you can't believe it, this is my first time of making a makeup video on YouTube, and I hope you guys enjoy it. I look forward to making nice videos of makeup like this, and yes, please don't hesitate to subscribe, click on the notification button, like the video, share me out, refer me to your friends and your loved ones so that we'll keep you